Hi guys, today we'll learn about today we're making to the jockey without chocolate popsicles and chockies, and there's three.
We're going to make the last one.
We can make. Let's make. Ito po. Chocky's not enough. It's enough.
Okay. Now we're going to put the...
The popsicle here.
Okay. Here you put.
Okay, let's close that up. Okay, thank you.
And then the last one.
The last one is the popsicles.
Okay. Now we're going to put in the...
Let's wait for 5 minutes, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.